Hello. Today we're going to be looking at the Lego Lord of the Rings set 79006, The Council of Elrond. It comes with one instruction manual and 4 minifigures. You have Elrond and Arwen and Frodo and Gimli. And here's the little set. I really like this set, of course, because it comes with all the tree limb elements. And it has the swiveling chairs. And these are stickers. The One Ring. I really like the roof. This weapon rack can be removed really easy. And here's a feature here. So, should we set me flying? Let's see if we could do it. And it's supposed to pop open and show you the eye. So, there it is. Let's sit down. The Council of Elrond. Thanks for watching.